Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. Brazil represents the largest medical device market in Latin America, but a regulatory earthquake is reshaping the landscape for manufacturers. In the last week, discussions have intensified around a series of sweeping updates from Brazil's health authority, ANVISA, creating a complex new reality for market access. This is not a distant change. These updates are impacting submissions right now. The overhaul began with RDC 751 of 2022, which redefined the risk classification rules for medical devices. But the more pressing change is the new RDC 848 of 2024, set to become effective this September. This new regulation fundamentally updates the essential safety and performance requirements. It forces manufacturers to adopt a comprehensive lifecycle approach to risk management. This means your documentation must now prove safety and performance from design conception through post-market activities. A major focus is on cybersecurity, a critical point of failure for many international companies whose existing dossiers lack this specific and robust evidence. On top of these legislative changes, ANVISA is forcing a practical shift in how submissions are handled. They are phasing out the old CICERT system for certificate issuance. A new, integrated tool is replacing it, with a hard deadline of December 1, 2025 for the transition. We have already seen cases where companies unaware of the nuances of the new platform face immediate rejections. For example, a US-based diagnostics company recently had their submission delayed by 3 months. Their technical files were perfect, but the digital formatting was incompatible with the new system's requirements, a detail that was not clearly communicated. This highlights a critical challenge. The transition is not just digital, it is procedural. For companies developing software as a medical device, or SAMD, the challenge is even greater. The new emphasis on cybersecurity and lifecycle management in RDC 848 means your entire validation and verification process is under scrutiny. It is no longer enough for your software to perform its intended clinical function. You must now provide extensive documentation on how you protect patient data, prevent unauthorized access, and manage software updates and patches securely over time. This requires a completely new section in your technical file, one that many companies are unprepared to write. These converging changes signal a new era of stringent oversight in Brazil. The days of treating a submission as a one-time event are over. ANVISA now demands a proactive and continuous approach to compliance. Foreign firms must have local intelligence to navigate these undocumented nuances and evolving interpretations. Without it, you risk costly delays, rejections, and loss of market access. The barrier to entry has been raised, and adapting your strategy is not optional. It is essential for survival. Navigating ANVISA's new framework requires specialized expertise. For guidance on ensuring your products meet these new requirements, email our team or visit our website for more information. You can reach Pure Global at info@pureglobal.com or find us at pureglobal.com.